Hi everyone. Today in this video we will talk about Ctrl Rig inversion that we will to our animation connect the Ctrl Rig. For example, we will create some add level sequence. Select here in the top. Then select the folder where we want to save it and call it, for example, level sequence test 2. After we create it, we can select our link bone control. So in previous video, you can find how you can connect the control. It was in the previous video, and here we have rig inversion. And the same in the previous video. There is all connection. I'll show how you can do it. After we have this control rig and have here control rig bone. So our skeletal mesh. We can just simple select him and from our outliner drag drop in our level sequence. Now the next one we can select, for example, some animation that we have and we want just a little bit adapted. For example, we can select some attack animation. And after that we need to change the end range for this and start range that we can place here the control rig point. After we select the animation, we can click right mouse button, bake to control rig, and select our control rig bone. Then in tolerance we can select 1, check create, and now we have the control rig to our animation. It make it, but probably not perfect. For some reason, for the lag, you see we have some problem with it, but we can every time check it and change it. A little bit adaptate because we want to change this animation that we want. And if we, for example, we have one animation and we have another animation and we want to connect it, as you can see, if we just move it a little bit in the right side, select the same animation, make some attack, run attack, for example, you see it didn't show you move. And even if we will make the same thing with this one, bake control rig, we will have this point, but they wouldn't move. So how we can fix it and how we can add for this our skeletal mesh for our control rig the same. We can just in our outliner drag drop and another link bone with control rig. Drag this the same character over here, skeletal mesh, select the animation that we want to use. If they have the same bone, I don't know, idle animation, for example, and bake it here. So right mouse button, bake animation for another control rig. And we will have here this point for another. And we can just relocate, make the copy from this one, select another one where we want to use it, our control rig. And yeah, and copy. Select the control rig and copy. And now we have here the same thing. We delete the previous, that's why it wouldn't work. But for now, for example, you can delete it again. Select the first one, select the animation that was before, some attack animation that was. Okay, select another one. Yeah, for example, this one. make the same, bake, Ctrl Rig 1. Then we have two animations. We can select some pose from this one, and we just copy from one, move our time and copy. And we have now one animation and the second one animation. And for example, we have here one, the end pose, and after that, and we can just delete, for example, simple this all pause between, and we can use it from one and directly to some pause from another animation. This is one fixing way how you can recreate and connect and make some animation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.